Unlock the future of advanced metering infrastructure with ARC's exclusive AMI market research. Are you looking to stay ahead of the curve in the rapidly advancing world of advanced metering infrastructure? If so, we have your solution. Introducing ARC's all-new Advanced Metering Infrastructure AMI Global Market Research. It provides cutting-edge insights into one of the most transformational technologies of our era. So what's inside? There's a current market analysis which allows you to understand the current state of the AMI marketplace with comprehensive details. There's a 5-year forecast, a market and technology forecast that helps you shape your future with confidence. Plus, we also discuss strategic issues from reducing greenhouse gas emissions to planning for resilience. This research uncovers key strategies that help you drive your efforts forward. Adoption of smart meters is not just a trend, it's a revolution in the way utilities manage energy. By increasing accuracy, facilitating grid hardening, and enhancing customer focus, AMI is truly reshaping the landscape. Join the front runners in the industry. Whether you aim to reduce emissions, whether you're deploying remote monitoring solutions, or planning for resilience, the insights provided in this report will guide your decision-making processes. So don't miss this exclusive opportunity to unlock the potential of advanced metering infrastructure. Dive into the future, align your strategies, and lead the way in innovation. Feel free to reach out to us at ARC for further information on this study and on our many others. And please visit our website to download the AMI table of contents along with a list of major suppliers. Thank you.